for the murder of one's wife. Yeah, no, definitely not. There's no way it would be.
Hours and it's
No.
and it just sat its whole life.
No, there's no way. It needs to be.
No. What's I don't like factories.
Some people really like.
You know. Whatever else?
A little bit of rust in there.
Yeah.
Kind of weird. It's right on that one. A little stuck. Got some oil. Stop you.
Look, it's kind of returning.
Oh, I think they're all going to free up. They're all going to free up pretty well. I don't think this one. I don't know. Don't listen to me. There you go.
Ooh, that's sprung free. Is this gasket super loose? Just so I'm not. Yeah, it's really. That's crunchy, but
You know.
aviation sealant's a Pangus.
I think 99% of that heat went into the spring.
Probably. And if these are loose. Yep. We have hinges. Full of clean oil.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put that right back on.
Put some heat on the backside, it'll come out before you strip it.
Not at all. No. I'm fine with that too. I don't do that here.
like pranks, but they're like usually extremely painful.
Oh, hope there's no flammables anywhere.
I guess it depends on where they're buying their parts from, getting their stuff from. But, oh, look at that, like butter.
That ratchet that was in the toolbox we got cleaned up really well, oiled up really well.
Yeah, just a Craftsman.
So they did make 411B trikes, right?
This isn't. Yeah. So this isn't a 411.
That's what this serial number that data plate literally says.
There's someone else in that subreddit that has a 411.
Yeah.
You know, if you heat it and get the bolt to even move a little bit, the Pedentrino really does get in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it does.
Okay, I'm going for a drink.
That's not have his phone. Oh, yep.
Mine still has this.
I was watching.
The stud. The stud wasn't moving.
Stationary.
Yep. The net BB2.
Oil, heat.
You got all the way off there pretty much now, don't you? You could use the 5-bar, I think.
Oh, it's not even.
I didn't even loosen that one.
No. Connor, pick up the tools. Pick up the tools.
The bucket underneath of it.
Oh yeah.
You know, just chuck that thing.
No, I'll take it straight to the scrapyard. It's probably worth as much as this tractor. Sell online.
85.
Yeah, here's an idea. Let's just fill the cylinders with propane and light it. You know, get it, that'll get it to turn over. Yeah, you fill it with propane, put the plug in, then.
Slide it backwards through the exhaust.
No, you could light it with the plug. It's got to open the points.
That's. How did they tighten that? Is the generator not on there?
Or with the shorter one.
I'll just let it sit on the steering. The clip.
Yeah.
So when you need that speed.
Oh, look.
Sees like nobody's business.
Does it?
Oh yeah. That's dirt.
Goddamn.
Oh, it's completely broken off.
Yeah, we can do that. It's not supposed to be in there, is it?
No, it's not.
First way out.
Yep, you got it. My father paid the good price for me as a kid.
Yeah.
I asked for a battery, and the family decided cheaper when you buy kits.
Everything all together?
That drill and the 1/4-inch driver I have, those were Loctite.
Soak for a few minutes. Use the bathroom. You don't get breaks. What the fuck are you talking about? Oh.
What did I? That's dead.
How hot is it? Oh, it's quite hot, especially up near the deck. Ooh, yeah, that's hot.
Warm.
Yeah. If I had coolant in it, it'd actually be doing more. This would be heating up the rest of it.
I think that you wouldn't want that though, because what we want to heat right now is just the sleeves and the piston.
Yeah.
Cool, and then it'd draw the heat out to the rest of the block. Oil. Yeah, that's crazy. That's.
You want a souvenir? Well, yeah, but this piece of like seal and everything. Oh, that's not very good. That's not so good. That's a lot of oil.
Disgusting. That's horrific looking.
Oh yeah.
Gonna hurl.
I mean, it looks a little bit like dinner. After dinner's been processed.
Oh God.
By that I mean it's poo oil.
Roll that wheel.
Right into the burn pile. 2 hours.
Yeah, we take the most convoluted route to get gas ever. That's a good end of the story.